Welcome back to our lovely build, and today, just me this morning. Carl is working. It's Saturday. Yes, he works on Saturdays too. So just imagine trying to build a boat and working 50 plus hours a week. Just put that in perspective. Anyway, today I am going up on the hull and doing the dwebs because we've been kind of putting them off. I don't know why. They're easy, they're simple, and that's probably why. So today I'm just templating out the berth dwebs in front of bulkhead 1. So let's get to it. It's the same procedure as always, using a couple of scrap pieces of door skin that we've used for other templates for the bulkheads, and basically just fitting everything together and gluing them in just to make a template. So I just finished up doing the templates in front of bulkhead 1. Up in this area, I think it's just like impact compartments and the anchor locker. Impact, anchor locker, impact. I'm pretty sure. Hopefully this one here on the port side will fit over here on the starboard side, so I won't need to make another template. I'm hoping, because I'm kind of out of door skin and stuff. Alright, moment of truth. Let's see if it fits. Oh, yes. Wow. Well, if I do say so myself, I think that's pretty good. Good, because I really didn't feel like finding material to make another template. So I just spent the last half hour vacuuming out the hull. There was a bunch of debris in there and whatnot. But I don't think we've ever mentioned, or if we have, it was very briefly, that we got a remote that turns our vacuum on and off, like without getting up and down the hull to shut it on and off. It's awesome. It's an absolute genius idea. Literally on, off. When you're working up there and you just need to keep vacuuming, or if you get a phone call, or if you need to take a break and talk to the camera, whatever, it's so handy. Instead of going all the way to the back, turning it on, getting back up there, doing what you need to do, and coming back, turning it back on and whatnot. So highly recommend investing in, I think it's like 20 bucks for this little plug-in. Comes with a remote. It's a game changer for all my boat building people out there. Yep, it's like a jigsaw puzzle, but we're making it work. Only took me about a half an hour to figure it out. Okay. I failed to mention that these dwebs require a 1/2 inch camber to accommodate for the berth roof, so you'll see us marking it out in the next clip. So this is the center of...
Where's the edge?
It's the tippity top of the blue.
Right there?
Of the blue, yeah.
Oh.
This is here.
Put your hip against that.
Okay.
Okay. On the mark. Get it on your mark. Got it?
Yep.
Reach. Good. Close enough.
Thank you. This is what happens when Carl leaves me to my own devices. It's like a treasure map over here.
Oof.
It's okay, it's okay.
Okay.
I accidentally traced the center dweb twice. I don't know why. I was paying attention the entire time until I wasn't. It's our new storage area. It's working out quite well for all the panels. Also, the boat looks really good from this angle. That's some skill. What was that?
So what happened here?
Well.
Do we know which lines we're going by?
Yeah, right here. Follow the red lines.
Oh, okay. Close enough.
Good enough. Just stay on the outside of it.
Okay.
Where's that part from?
Huh?
What was that from?
What?
That hangy part.
Huh. I don't know. I thought we marked it. Hopefully it's right.
You never know. It's a mystery.
Maybe I followed the map the wrong way. I don't know. That should have been this one.
Perfect.
Looks right.
Yeah, it's right.
With this style of construction, like we can easily just glue these panels together and fiberglass over the seams. That's per the boat designer. So
yeah,
we should be good for these. Like I said, we'll have to just clean this up real quick, pull the peel ply, glass it, fill any little voids there. Same thing with this. Just trying to lose these and get them mixed up, and that's not horrible either. So I'll take it.
cool.
All right, let's wrap up. Sounds like a talk.
Okay. And that's gonna do it.
And that's it for tonight. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. It doesn't cost a thing. And yeah.
Disgusting. It looks like a bird has been living inside of the tarp all winter because he got both sides. The hazards of building a boat outside in your backyard.